Marami akong isinulat na liham, ngunit ni isa'y hindi ko ipinadala. Nakatago ang mga ito sa pagitan ng mga pahina ng lumang kwaderno. Bawat salita ay may pangalan mo, bawat pangungusap ay may panghihinayang. Hindi dahil gusto kitang balikan, kundi dahil may mga damdaming hindi na isara. May mga salitang mas mabigat kapag nananatiling hindi nasasabi. Ito ang tahimik na insahe na hindi umabot sa iyong mga kamay. Isang awit na isinulat ng puso, ngunit piniling itago ng panahon. Kung marinig mo man ito balang araw, huwag kang malungkot o mag-alala, dahil ang laman nito ay pasasalamat, hindi pagsisisi. Naalala ko ang mga gabing sabay tayong nangarap, at ang mga umagang puno ng simpleng tawanan. Hindi man tayo nagtagal, nag-iwan ka ng kabutihan sa aking alaala. Ngayon ay kaya ko nang umiti kapag nababanggit ang iyong pangalan. Hindi na ito sugat na sariwa, kundi peklat na nagpapaalala ng lakas. Marahil may mga kwentong hindi kailangang magkaroon ng kasunod, may mga liham na hindi ipinagdadala, ngunit sapat ng naisulat. Ito ang tahimik na mensahe na pinakawalan ko na sa hangin. Hindi bawat himig ng awiting ito, may kapayapaang unti-unting dumarating. At sa wakas, natutuhan kong hindi lahat ng paalam ay kailangan sakaling dalhin ng hangin ang mga salitang hindi ko nasabi. Sana makarating ang sa lahat. Salamat sa minsang naging bahagi ka ng aking kwento. Mahabang gabi ang dumaan sa atin, kasabay ng walang tigil na pag-ulan. Ngunit sa bawat patak na bumabagsak, may pangakong hindi natin binitiwan. Hanggang dulo ng tagulan, hawakan ko ang pag-asa. Kapag humupa ang mga ulap, makikita rin natin ang liwanag. May mga daang maputik at mahirap lakarin, ngunit hindi iyon dahilan para huminto. Ang bawat hakbang ay paalala na may saysay ang pagtitiyaga. Hindi habang buhay ang unos, kat hindi pa mangente ang dilim. Hanggang dulo ng tagulan, pipiliin kong maniwalag. Handang bawat bagyo sa buhay ay may kasunod na payapang umaga. At nang tumila ang ulan, mas malinaw kong nakita ang langit. May 5 plaka sa ibabaw ng mesa, kasabay ng alikabok at mga alaala. Pagpatak ng unang nota, bumalik ang kahapon at ang ngiting dati kong inakalang kalimutan na. Hindi lahat ng awit ay tungkol sa atin. Pero ikaw ang Sa gitna ng musika, ikaw ang bumabalik sa pagitan ng mga nota at katahimikan. Hindi na bilang panghihinayang, kundi bilang bahaging minsan nagpangiti sa akin. Lumipas ang mga panahon at nag-iba ang direksyon, ngunit may mga kantang hindi naluluma kapag sumasabay ang puso sa ritmo. Naaalala kong minsan tayong nangarap, kung sakaling marinig mo rin ang himig na ito. Sana mapangiti ka tulad ng pagngiti ko ngayon. Sa gitna ng musika, hindi kita hinahanap, pinapakinggan ko lamang ang mga alaalang nagpatibok minsan sa ating mga puso. At nang matapos ang awit, tahimik akong nagpasalamat sa kwentong minsan isinulat natin. Natapos ang tugtog, tumahimik ang entablado. Isa-isang namatay ang mga ilaw, kasabay ng paghupa ng ingay. Narinig ko ang sarili kong tibok. Pagkatapos ng palakpakan, sino ang mananatili kapag wala na ang sigawan? Ano ang natitira sa akin? Hindi pala sapat ang pansamantalang papuri para punan ng katahimikan ng puso. Mas mahalagang kilalanin ang sarili kaysa mabuhay sa inaasahan ng
nanonood, ngunit may dahilan pa rin umawit. Pagkatapos ng palakpakan, pipiliin ko pa rin tumayo. Hindi para sa mga ilaw ng entablado, kundi para sa pangarap na matagal kong iningatan. At sa huling nota ng gabi, ngumiti ako sa salamin. Dahil ang pinakamahalagang tagapakinig ay ang puso kong hindi sumuko. Pagkatapos ng palakpakan, sino ang mananatili? Kapag wala nang sigawan, ano ang natitira sa akin?
Sa lumang bahay na tahimik kong gabi, may isang bintanang laging bukas sa hangin. Doon ako madalas tumingin sa malayo, umaasang may sagot ang mga bituin. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ako napagod sa kakahintay ng mga pangakong hindi dumating. Ngunit sa gitna ng katahimikan, may mumunting liwanag na unti-unting sumilip. At sa unang pagkakataon, hindi na ako natakot sa bukas. Ikaw ang liwanag sa bintana, sa mundong nabalot ng ulap. Hindi mo man sinadyang iligtas ako, nakita kong pag-asa sa iyong mga mata. Kapag nawawala ang aking landas, ikaw ang tahimik na gabi. Hindi kailangan ng malalaking salita, sapat ng iyong presensya. Marami nang dumaan na panahon, marami ring pangarap ang nagbago. Ngunit ang natutunan ko sa paglalakbay ay ang huwag mawalan ng paniniwala. Sa bawat umaga sumisikat, may panibagong pagkakataong magsimula. At sa bawat gabing madilim, may ilaw na naghihintay sa dulo. Kung sakaling mawala muli ako, alam kong hindi ako nag-iisa. Dahil minsan ang napatunayan na may liwanag kahit sa pinakamadilim na gabi. Ikaw ang liwanag sa bintana, ang paalalang may bukas pa. At kahit magbago ang panahon, bit-bit ko ang init ng iyong alaala. Sa bawat pagsara ng gabi, may bintanang muling bubukas. At sa bawat sinag ng umaga, may pag-asa muling sisibol.
Clouds gather slow, whisper your name in the mist. Every drop reminds me of the warmth I've missed. Neon reflections shimmer through the midnight hue. I feel the blue rain falling over you. Your laugh's a ghost that haunts the empty streets, soft and distant, bittersweet. I'm soaked in every color we once knew, drenched in this blue rain over you. Blue rain over you, washing every dream I thought I knew. Every You talk in circles, darling, like you're hiding something sweet. A whisper in your laughter, a truth beneath your heartbeat. You hold me close, then step away before the moment shines. Like you're scared of what you're saying in between the lines. You brush your fingers on my hand like it's a passing breeze. But the way you look at me could bring a grown man to his knees. You say we're fine, just two souls killing time, but your eyes confess a story in between the lines. You keep your heart behind a velvet curtain, but baby, your silence, it speaks louder than you're certain. 'Cause I hear you in the spaces, in the pauses, in the sighs, in the words you never say but echo every night. You can call it nothing special, but I know what I find. There's a love you try to hide in between the lines. You leave your jacket hanging on my midnight chair like a quiet little promise that you'll always reappear. You say it's casual, just comfort intertwined, but your touch writes every chapter in between the lines. You dance around the truth so soft and slow, but every whispered maybe tells me more than you let show. 'Cause I hear you in the spaces, in the pauses, in the sighs, in the words you never say but echo every night. You can call it nothing special, but I know what I find. There's a love you try to hide in between the lines. Yeah. If you're scared to say it, darling, I can read the meaning clear. Your heart is writing poetry you're too afraid to hear. Oh, I hear you in the spaces, in the silence of your eyes, in the warmth you leave behind me when you say goodbye. You can call it undefined, but baby, look at mine. Your love is waiting there in between the lines.
We met between the lines of the first and last. A fleeting glance, shadows from the past. Your laugh hit me like a jazz chord unrehearsed. The love arrived on the second verse. First few lines, just polite hellos, a subtle rhythm nobody knows. Then your hand found mine, the chorus burst.
just a test to see if our hearts could handle the rest. Love on the second verse. Better late than never, a blessing and a curse. You came in softly, then you came to stay. Love arrived when I'd almost walked away. Piano and soft trumpet call, a melody that carries the rise and fall of love on the second verse. Slow crescendo, a rhythm unrehearsed. I never knew what the first could be worth until you taught me love on the second verse. I wake before the sunrise, chasing goals I barely feel. Highlight on my notebook, but the doubts are just as real. People say I'm doing great, but they don't see the cracks. 'Cause every step I take forward pulls another weight on my back. I keep pushing, I keep climbing, but the pressure never fades. Ever you can do it, feels another promise I'm afraid I can't make. 'Cause I've been trying too hard, running on empty with a tired heart, chasing perfection in every grade, till I forget the person I'm supposed to say. And I just want a moment where I'm not falling apart. Yeah, I've been trying too hard, trying too hard. Midnight's at my desk again, deadline screaming in my head. Everyone looks confident, but I'm barely holding thread. Trying not to break down, trying to keep my pace, but every failure feels like it's written on my face. I keep going, I keep fighting, even when my voice gets small. But maybe I've been hoping for a version of myself that's not real at all. 'Cause I've been trying too hard, running on empty with a tired heart, chasing perfection in every grade, till I forget the person I'm supposed to save. And I just want a moment where I'm not falling apart. Yeah, I've been trying too hard. Maybe it's okay to take it slow. Maybe I don't need to force the glow. Maybe worth is something I can own, even when the fear tells me no. 'Cause they don't see the quiet tears, the sleepless nights, the hidden fears. The pressure's loud, but I'm still here, trying to breathe through every year. 'Cause I've been trying too hard, but I'm learning to listen to my heart, letting go of perfection's hold, finding strength in being vulnerable. And maybe I've been growing in the shadows where the heartbreak lives, watered by the tears that love refused to give. But somehow your voice found the cracks inside the gloom, and suddenly I'm blooming in blue. You touched the wilted corners I was scared to show, and every quiet comfort helped me learn to grow. You didn't fix the pain, but you stayed and saw it through. Now I'm learning how to bloom in blue. I used to think broken meant I couldn't rise, but baby, you taught me hope can wear a softer shade of night. I'm blooming in blue, finding beauty in the bruises I once hid from you. Every shadow, every scar is turning into something new. In the hurt I found the truth. I'm not broken, just blooming in blue. Sometimes healing feels like jazz notes bending slow, a melody unsure of where it wants to go. But with you beside me, every low becomes a hue, a deeper kind of blooming in blue. Oh, maybe the color of sorrow is just the start of tomorrow. I'm blooming in blue, finding beauty in the bruises I once hid from you. Every shadow, every scar is turning into something new. In the hurt I found the truth. I'm not broken, just blooming in blue. And if the night falls heavy, I won't be afraid. I've learned even darkness helps the flowers find their shape. I'm blooming in blue, letting go of the fear I never thought I'd outgrow. Pain can be a garden when the right light breaks through. And baby, that light was you. Now every tear becomes a hue, and I'm finally